Hi, and welcome to Grow in Health with Meditation, a place where you can learn about meditation and come together to meditate in order to enhance your well-being and transform your life in uplifting ways. So, thanks for joining me in this meditation session. Please find below in the description box a link to your free meditations ebook that contains many meditations for various life areas, as well as links to our online store for meditation products just for you. So, let's get started. Welcome to the Here and Now. Before we get started, tell yourself that this time is for you, and you only. Don't let your time be disrupted by fears, worries, or a to-do list. Make yourself comfortable where you are. Perhaps straighten your back. Or relax your neck. By making small circles with your nose. When you've attained a state of calmness, start to breathe more deeply. Inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth. Let your stomach expand like a balloon. Then slowly exhale. Bring your focus to your breathing by closing your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and fill your lungs fill with air. Feel the air filling your belly. Then release it. And let all your worries, tasks, and bad thoughts drift away. Bring your mind to a peaceful, tranquil place. Simply remain in this place for a few moments. Breathing deeply and calmly. As you take slow, deep breaths, pay attention to how your chest and belly move. Just pay attention to the air as it comes in and goes out. In and out. It makes a quiet and soothing sound. Allow your arms and legs to become as floppy as a rag doll. As you continue to breathe, just let them become slack and limp from relaxation. They are so unbelievably relaxed. They feel so heavy that you almost don't want to move them. Simply let your body continue to unwind. Your body starts to feel increasingly, deeply at ease. Your legs start to feel weighty. Your arms start to feel relaxed and heavy. As your body continues to unwind with each syllable, you enjoy every second. Your mind begins to unwind as your body does. Take in a deep breath now, and exhale slowly. And enjoy this peaceful feeling. And when you are ready to leave this peaceful place, slowly begin to reawaken your body. And as you reawaken, keep with you the feeling of calm, peace, and relaxation. Wiggle your fingers and toes to wake up your muscles. Shrug your shoulders. When you are ready, open your eyes and return to the present. So, thanks for joining me in this meditation session. I look forward to reading your comments of what you have gained, as well as other life area meditations that you would like me to make videos for. And remember that there's a link below for your free meditations ebook that contains this meditation script, as well as many others for various life circumstances. So, click on that if you're interested, as well as the links to our online shop for meditation products, and our Facebook group. Thanks and enjoy life's journey.